Elon Musk is my idol, and what Tesla has achieved is amazing.
Yeah.
But we all know how polluting the battery industry is.
Oh yes.
Right.
Yes.
And batteries, no doubt, in this small application, you cannot. The only way to remove battery from our devices is wireless transmission of electricity.
Yeah.
Which is also Nikola Tesla's thing.
Yeah.
That was gone.
Yeah.
That was lost.
Yeah.
Right. But I hope Elon Musk will be the guy who is trying to find out how to get it done. But I think that will be the next industrial revolution where we can mass transmit electricity.
Correct.
Removing the need for, you just need a receptor here.
Yeah.
To get power. You pay your subscription. It's just like you're under the coverage, then you get power.
You can't get fuel cells into phones, huh?
No.
Not feasible, right?
But I don't know. What if one day they are able to transmit electricity to cars even? Now we have wireless charging, right? But it's close proximity. It's very low kilowatt. It's about 11 kilowatts per hour. It's not high enough for you to keep on running.
Yeah.
But I believe that day will come. But before that day comes, we still need the energy carrier.
Yes.
The energy carrier. The energy carrier can be a battery.
Yeah.
Which is using non-renewable resources.
It's chemically storing it.
Or a tank that stores liquid hydrogen.
And the tank does not shrink with time.
And hydrogen is the most abundant thing in the universe.
You know, just now I said Toyota, they freed up all their patents, right?
Yeah.
They have taken it one step further.
Fuck man, the aircon is damn cold.
Reaffirming their commitment by actually building a prototype city at the base of Mount Fuji to facilitate development of all their future mobility solutions, you know, all the autonomous driving, and of course the city itself will be is said to be fully powered by hydrogen.
Wow.
Yeah. So they are really doubling down on their bet on hydrogen.
Whew.
Right?
That's Toyota.
So I mean there's no bigger statement of intent, you know. So they built the car. Okay, build the car. No takers. Never mind. I released the patents. No takers. I built a city to show you how it's done.
Actually, the Japanese they have so many crazy stuffs going on there.
Yeah.
But the only thing they lose out is marketing.
Could it be a language thing?
Language?
Right.
If Japanese government enforce English language in all their schools since a young age, right, they will be better at marketing their achievements.
Yes.
Look at the Germans, they're so good at it. Right?
Yeah.
And English, the Brits are using the power of mastering the language to downplay the French.
Yes.
Right? They always talk shit about the French. And the French didn't know that they're talking shit about them.
Yes.
Right? Every day telling people that the French can't build cars. Hey, the French build better cars than Brits.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Have you seen the things Renault make?
Yeah. So I think all these things, see, like I never knew about it. The fuel cell city.
Oh yeah. They built,
I didn't know.
So I was thinking, hey, actually, it's interesting because Toyota before this, they built their way to become the world's #1 manufacturer. So they have always been very strong with manufacturing, and they have a whole Toyota city built for that purpose, a whole ecosystem that supports their manufacturing operations. Now they're looking into the future. That time, you remember you had a conversation with Chrissy. He went to Japan. He saw where they, in the Tokyo Motor Show, where Toyota did not have a single car, right? So that is Toyota's message telling the world that moving forward, we are not just building cars. We are a solutions provider.
Exactly.
A mobility solution provider.
Exactly. Actually, all car makers should understand this. You are in the business of mobility.
Yeah.
And mobility brings economy.
Yeah.
And you're worth more than the 4-5% margin you earn from selling cars.
Yes.
You shouldn't sell cars like sell toothpaste.
Yes. And this new prototype city that they are building at Mount Fuji is a symbol of that future that they envision for themselves, just as Toyota City is symbolizes their success with manufacturing.
Yeah.
Right.
But I think Toyota should also, this type of prototype city, right? They should also build it in maybe China. You know, China has a larger market.
Yeah.
China, in terms of demographic wise, is closer to the developing world.
Yep.
than Japan.
Yep.
Japan, if you always do your R&D in Japan,
Yep.
you might have a distorted reality
Yeah.
whereby all around you are old people
Or nice people.
and who don't vandalize things.
Yeah.
You try and build this kind of stuff in Europe and see, in Spain and France or in US, Detroit and all that shit.
Gone.
Your stuff's all gone, right? People will steal your things.
Gone one.
Yeah. So, but I think this type of stuff that they are doing, first of all, is amazing. But they should also look at marketing it, telling people about it, lah.
Yeah.
I really do not know.
Yeah, you did not know, right? And I was surprised that there's so little media buzz about it.
Because we don't know. Because they don't spin their
This
stuff.
was like last week's news, as we record this. This is last week's news.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah. That's Toyota for you.
Yeah. That's why, right? It's a whole company philosophy, how everything is encompassed together. It is a company that has a wide breadth of talents.
Do you know that almost every university,
Yeah.
when you study manufacturing, you have to study Toyota?
Yeah, because
TMS,
the TMS, Toyota
Manufacturing
production
System.
Yeah.
And it's also TMS that sort of saved Porsche. I mentioned about it
Yes.
last time. Right? Wendelin Wiedeking,
Yeah.
when he became the CEO of Porsche,
Yeah.
he went and hired a few ex-Toyota engineers,
Yeah.
went over to Porsche. They were there, and then they were screwing up the Germans. They're like, you shouldn't do this, like that. This is how you should do it, and all that. You know, they help them improve their manufacturing process.
Yep.
Yeah, TMS and Toyota actually has another division.
Yeah.
This one I learned it a few years ago. I forgot where I studied it. They use their Toyota methods of planning and execution, their process, to help other businesses kickstart their business.
Oh.
You don't have to build cars. You
Yeah.
can be building houses. You can be doing a plantation, whatever shit, right? They help you to use their knowledge to to turn your business into a success.
You see, right? Toyota did not invent mass production.
Yep.
But they sure as hell fine-tune it in a way.
Oh, I mean, we all study enough, right? All this Japanese Kaizen and all that stuff, right? Yeah.
Actually, you think of it, right? Toyota, they never really invented anything per se.
I think they invented a lot of things. It's just that, again,
But
marketing.
I think what they are stronger at is not creating things, but taking something that is unrefined and really polishing it.
I think taking things and refining and polishing it is a Japanese thing.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And I wouldn't agree with the Japanese being not inventive. They are extremely
They
inventive.
are
Extremely inventive. It's just that, again, they are not as
clever
in marketing.
Yes.
I really, they always lose out in marketing.
Yeah.
Right? You look at you see, we've all seen promotional images from German car makers showing the exploded image of headlamps. Right? With two engineers there pointing at the staff, moving their hands to move that 3D view around, right? All this outsourced one.
Yeah.
You think they do it in-house?
No, of course not.
Yeah.
Okay, so
How you like the car?
nice actually. Well, some aspects of it does feel last decade.
Of course.
But everything it just holds together. It's just held together so well. This car.
See, contrary to your car, your car when you go slow, I can hear the 6-cylinder rumble.
Yeah.
This one is just pure silent.
Yes,
and smooth, right?
It's
nothing shakes. The car is still
buttery smooth.
The car is still running. You know, this is a 15-year-old car that can be considered mildly neglected in the way it is being taken care of.
Yes.
But it runs so smooth and so quiet.
I mean, I think a BMW will still run with this kind of neglect, but not at this level of smoothness.
No way.
No
Sometimes
way.
you will have the idling, right?
Yeah.
But suddenly it will go down a bit, drop a bit, go back a bit. But
the idling is steady.
and now you trust the Densu aircon compressor.
Yeah.
This side. It's so damn cold.
Damn cool. It's damn cool.
To us.
Yeah.
So, if you cannot find a crown, you can get a kanmuri for that.